This is an L sample answer. Keep practicing to build confidence. To try a mock test with these questions, watch our mock test video. The link to the PDF document is in the first comment. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any videos. Let's start off by talking about teachers. Do you have a favorite teacher from school?
Yes, I do. My favorite teacher was my history teacher, Mr. Thompson. He had a great way of explaining things and made history really interesting. His passion for the subject was contagious, and he always encouraged us to ask questions.
What qualities do you think make a good teacher?
A good teacher should be patient, knowledgeable, and able to explain things clearly. They should also be supportive, encouraging students to do their best. I believe a teacher who makes learning enjoyable can have a big impact on students.
Have you ever thought about becoming a teacher?
Not really, but I have a lot of respect for teachers. It's a challenging job that requires dedication and a love for helping others learn. While I've considered roles where I help others, I haven't specifically thought about teaching.
How important do you think teachers are in a child's development?
I think teachers play a huge role in a child's growth. They not only help with academic learning, but also influence a child's confidence and character. A good teacher can inspire students and make a lasting positive impact on their lives.
Do you still keep in touch with your primary school teachers?
Not really, although I sometimes wish I did. I've moved to different schools and cities since then, so it's been hard to stay in contact. But I often think about them and how they influence me, especially my first grade teacher, who was very kind.
That's the end of part 1. Now we are going to move to part 2. In this part, you will have 1 minute to prepare and then speak up to 2 minutes. Describe a person you know who works in a medical career. You should say who this person is, what type of work they do, how you know this person, and explain why you respect them.
One person I know who works in the medical field is my cousin Sarah. She's a nurse in Toronto Regional Hospital, and her dedication and patience truly inspire me. Sarah and I grew up together, and even as a child, she was compassionate and cared deeply for others. Nursing suits her well, as it allows her to use her kindness and empathy every day. Sarah works in the emergency department, so her job is fast-paced and demanding. She handles a wide range of cases, from minor injuries to serious emergencies, and often works long hours, sometimes overnight. Despite the stress, she remains calm and professional, telling me that helping people during critical moments makes her job worthwhile. Her commitment is clear, and she genuinely cares for each patient. What I admire most is Sarah's resilience. She faces difficult situations, but has learned to cope by relying on her team and maintaining a positive attitude. She also believes in keeping a positive attitude and tries to bring comfort to her patients, even if it's just with a kind word or smile. Knowing Sarah has given me a lot of respect for those in the medical field. Her dedication and strength remind me of the importance of compassion and hard work, and she motivates me to apply these qualities in my own life.
That's the end of part 2. Now we are going to move on to part 3. We'll continue discussing people in medical careers. What are some important qualities for a healthcare professional to have?
Healthcare professionals need to be compassionate, patient, and resilient. They deal with people who are often in pain or distress, so empathy is essential. Having good communication skills is also important since they need to explain things clearly to patients and work well with colleagues. Finally, they need to be very attentive to detail, as even small mistakes can be serious in healthcare.
How has technology changed the medical field?
Technology has had a huge impact on the medical field. For example, advancements in medical equipment have improved diagnosis and treatment accuracy. Telemedicine is now common, allowing patients to get help from doctors without going to the hospital. Technology has also helped improve record keeping and patient monitoring, making healthcare more efficient and accessible.
Do you think more people will choose medical careers in the future?
It's possible. Many young people see the medical field as a stable and meaningful career. However, it's also a challenging path that requires a lot of study and dedication. Some might be drawn to it due to the rewards of helping others, while others may be discouraged by the long hours and stress. It likely depends on the individual's passion for healthcare and ability to handle the demands of the job.
That's the end of the speaking test. Good job.